Well, good morning, everybody. I'm headed out to do my maiden voyage with my DJI Mini 2 drone with the gimbal 3-axis camera. So let's go do this. Okay, welcome back to the channel. So I've got my drone, I've got it all set up, and yes, I've got the right SD card in. I've looked at the tutorials many times, but that don't mean that this is gonna go like it's supposed to. So I got my cell phone hooked up and got it plugged in, and I'm getting ready to turn everything on and take my first flight. So wish me luck. Let's see how this is gonna work. So let's turn this on first, then we'll turn this on second. It's on. So now once you get it all set up, it asks if you're ready to go fly. It says, are you ready to go fly? But first I'm gonna put my drone over here on the ground somewhere. So now I've set him on the ground, pushing the button, ready to go fly. Pull both handles down. The grass, so let's try this. The grass was too high, the props keep hitting the grass because there's no legs on the back like there are on the front.
Take off. Perform a safety check before you fly.
Okay, let's see. I gotta turn the volume up here because it's trying to talk to me and I'm not listening. To give it more juice, you push up on this lever here. I'm gonna bring it down. We're gonna try to land it back on this table.
Landing.
All right. Now that was nerve-wracking. That was the first one. I didn't have the camera on or anything. I was just trying it to see. Now this is true first time flying the DJI drone number 2 drone. And I had it in normal mode. I should have had it in cinema mode, so it would even go slower. But yeah, wow, that's a lot of fun. So now let's see. I'm gonna check the camera out, and I'm gonna try to do some aerial with it with the camera. So let me try that next. Let me see how I do this now. Let's see. Yeah. So I gotta turn it back around. And the wind's blowing a little bit today. Okay, now I'm back to this screen. So now I'm going to hit that was a picture. And when the red button's there, I hope you can see that. Then you hit record, hit the button here again, and it's going to start recording, I think. Okay, it's recording. And the wind's picking up. So I'm just going to try a little bit here. So turn it on.
Take off.
And taking off.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Getting away from the tree. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, where's your home button? So now I gotta come over here because I can't really see which way it's turning. Oh, I can see now. All right. Change it to semi move. And it's going to move a lot slower.
Landing.
Whew, that was nerve-wracking. Son of a gun. So we're going to end the video. Let's see. Okay, we ended the video. We're filming in 1080, 30 frames per second. And, that was pretty good. That was pretty fun. So he flies pretty good. I mean, if I can fly it, any freaking body can fly it. But I got to get a lot more practice in. And because I couldn't see it when it was way out there. I couldn't tell on this what it was doing or where it was at because I'm not used to it. But I will be. Whew. So that's nerve-wracking because this is not cheap. But I'm cheap. But I'm going to try to fly it around here a little bit more. So the rest of this is going to be from the camera on the drone. The wind's picking up a little bit, but I'm just going to try to take it off on some flight and bring it back and land it. And see if I could get the home landing thing to work, because I hit the home button and it didn't come back home. So I don't understand that. It's recording.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And I've got it on the slowest speed that I can go, so I can try to learn how to maneuver this thing. It's coming back to me. I mean, the wind's blowing a little bit, and it's I don't want to get it too far away because I still don't know what I'm doing. Let's see if I can work the camera up and down, so the camera's coming down a little bit. Hey, drone. So let's just keep flying a little bit. That's pretty good. gonna turn around and bring it back to me. It's in Cinemac, it's in Cinema. That's C-I-N-E. That's as slow as it'll go. Where's that? Now, if you're going to get a drone, I gotta say this is probably the easiest one that you're going to get to operate. I mean, I could follow that guy, but I'm not going to. Ha ha. I mean, that's slow. That's on the slowest speed. I gotta get used to looking at the camera and trying to get it with the camera. Move you over this way a little bit. The battery is still at 60%. It's recorded 3 minutes and almost 4 minutes at normal speed at 1080p. I'm gonna get used to that too, because I really want to do it in 4K, I think. Let it go backwards too. There we are. I mean, that's pretty daggone cool. I just want to keep flying it a little bit and see how long the battery lasts, because it says it's going to last 30 minutes, but I don't know if it's going to last 30 minutes. There's a tree right here by me. I don't want to get it in the tree. So now I got it pointed down at the ground. Let's see. I'm going to go up a little bit. Just going straight up. Let's see how far am I now. That's on meters. It's 25 meters. Bring it back down. It's fighting the wind. I'll get it back down here where there's less wind, I think. Where'd you go? Which way did you go? Which way did you go? Alright, let's bring it back over here and see if we can land it. Let's see if we can land it back over here one more time. And it landed. It landed and it turned off. Look at that. Cool beans. Let's see, I'm gonna turn the camera off. And so there's nothing on the back. The only thing on the back is to take pictures. And then this one right here turns the gimbal camera up and down. I gotta say, for the first flight, that is fantastic. I have got more reading to do. I got more settings I want to set up. Well, I don't want to be bent over all the time, so I'm just going to straighten this up a little bit. And so that's my maiden voyage with my DJI Mini 2 drone. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to do some more videoing, and I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day. The wind is really picked up out here, so you don't want to fly it in real high wind too much, because you could crash it, and that's a big investment. And I know I keep saying that, but you don't want to destroy it. It's the first time you use it. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Woo!